Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time, we will learn how to design part use lofted boss. It is a complex part like this with a lofted boss feature. In here, have drawing like this, and we want to export to this part like this. So just start it, click new, and click part, click OK. For background, we can change in plain white for clear background like this, and in here for unit select in millimeter gram second like this. So we start from top plane, right click on top plane and click sketch. In here just click center line, this to this, and draw center rectangle, this to this. In here we just to sketch a half of this part, because after we sketch we use mirror entities. So just smart dimension and set for dimension this point and this line in here. The total length in here is 70. So a half of 70 is 35 millimeter. This 35 millimeter. Then after that, in here, don't forget for this have width in 10 millimeter. And for the length, this edge is same here. We make same here is 20. So this line is 20 millimeter like this. After that, we just to make in here, don't forget have a fillet on each point, each corner. So sketch fillet parameter change in 2 millimeter. Select this corner, this point, and this point. Click OK like this. Then don't forget in here have a hole diameter 2 millimeter. So just draw circle in here and ensure this circle and this edge click this edge and this circle click make concentric and set for dimension in 2 millimeter like this. We can to draw center line in here, draw from this point to this like this, and we can to mirror entities for this circle and mirror about click this center line. Just click OK, and we can to mirror entities again for this circle and mirror about click this center line. Just click OK and done like this. So simple. In here, in the center of the center of rectangle, have a sketch slot. So we just draw in here, select in center point strike slot, draw from this point to this in here like this, and set for dimension in here radius, have radius in 2 millimeter the slot, 2 millimeter like this, and for the length this point and this point in here have 12 millimeter the length of slot like this. After that, after we input all dimension like this, we just to mirror entities. Just click mirror entities and entities to mirror, left click on your mouse, hold like this, draw and hold, and for mirror about just click right plane, click OK and done. We just mirror this like this. So simple. So after that, we can to give or export this sketch to solid part. Have thickness in 2 millimeter. Select feature and click extrude boss. For direction is blind. We can to reverse direction in here to below like this. And for thickness in 2 millimeter or deep in 2 millimeter. And for select contour in here, click this slot and this, and click this slot and this center rectangle like this. Just click OK and done like this. It's simple. So after that, we can to right click, left click in boss extrude and sketch one, right click and click saw again for sketch one, and select front plane, right click and click sketch. In here have like a arc in here, two arc. So we just to make two arc with center point arc in here. Ensure you draw the center of the part in here like this, and draw in here, draw and left click, hold like this, draw and draw again. Ensure you draw in center, left click again and draw like this. Then we can see here this line is to this slot to connect. So just click this point and click Control on your keyboard and click this line, click make purge, and again click this point and click this slot or this sketch and click make purge again like this. So in here too, you have to make same. This point to this slot, click make purge, and in here this point to this slot, click Control on your keyboard, hold and click make pierce like this. So we can draw like this line, and normal to in front plane, set for dimension in here, for distance in here, this edge to this have distance 14.5. so this edge to this arc have distance in 14.5 millimeter, and this edge to this arc have distance in 22 millimeter, like this. So after that we can to exit sketch and to make sketch like this in here. So we can to right click on plane 1 and click sketch, draw center rectangle in here, draw this like this, and we can to rotate like this, and we can click this midpoint and click Control on your keyboard, click this line, click make pierce this, and click this again, this midpoint, and click this arc and click make pierce like this. Okay, and we can to set for dimension in here. For the length is have length is 20 millimeter, and in here have a fillet again, sketch fillet in 3 millimeter to this point. Let's click yes, this point click yes and click OK, and in here in below have radius in 1 millimeter, fillet 1 millimeter, sets in 1 millimeter, click this point, click yes, and click this point, click yes. Okay, just click OK like this. So after that we can to click OK in here and click exit sketch. Click again on top plane, right click on top plane and click sketch like this, and draw in here. I want to draw in 3-point arc, draw from this slot to this slot in here like this, and ensure for this arc and this slot, click Ctrl and hold, click make tangent in here, the same in here, this arc and this slot, click make tangent like this. So automatically this midpoint of arc and this center of the part, click make vertical like this. After that we can to use mirror entities. For entity to mirror, click this arc and mirror about, click front plane, just click OK, and set for distance here, this point and this point have distance in 20 millimeter, like this. So after that we can to exit sketch like this and just use feature, the name is lofted boss or base. Just click in here And in here you can see for the menu in left is profile and guide curve. Ensure in here if the height you can click in guide curve, and for first in here for the top for profile, just right click in your mouse and click selection manager. First in here ensure to select close loop. In here just click and click this arc, click this slot in here line, just click OK. The name is a close loop one, and again click this sketch 3, and this slot. Click select close loop and just click OK like this. So ensure the point your position to set in like this, and like this. We can to range in here. We can draw this point like this, and this point to this on the slot, and we can to draw in here and position this point to this point top the sketch like this. Ensure you set for point like this. In here have 1 2 3 point. The point is green in here, the color is green. Ensure instance you set in here. From in here you set point in here, and in here you set point in here, and for the middle point you set in the top edge in here. And in guide curve, right click in here. In guide curve, right click again and click selection manager, and in here you must to select in select group in here. For first select this arc, top arc, and click OK. The name is open group 1, and the second select this arc in here and select group and just click OK. The name is open group 2. Automatically in here the point in here and in here and in here like this. It's so simple. After that you just click OK and done. We can to hide all line in here, hide all steps like this. So we can to change appearances. Select all feature, click here, maybe in blue high gloss plastic like this for example, and done. We just to design complex parts use lofted boss or best in SolidWorks. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this tutorial helped you to learning in SolidWorks. I apologize if there are any mistake of error in this material. Thank you very much for watching to the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment in this channel. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.